If you think first aid training is boring, you've not met this lady.
I'm Ottilia from Pochat Training, where learning is fun and engaging.
Our hands-on approach makes knowledge stick. With practical advice and real-world examples from years of experience.
What if she now goes unconscious?
Forget what you've seen on TV. We'll show you the right way to preserve life, prevent further injury, and promote recovery.
Yes, now you can do it.
What's unique about Pochat Training? All our courses are run in a fun, engaging way, and where it gets to first aid, we also are very much hands-on. People get to work with mannequins that are actually dressed and not look like plastic dolls, but a lot more like people. They even got wigs on and a bra for one of them. But that isn't just for our first aid courses, also the health and safety training courses. Most people, when they think of health and safety, they go like, boring, and they fall asleep just at the thought of it. But no, with Pochat Training, we make even health and safety courses fun and engaging. People are enjoying it. They are fully engaged in their learning. They understand why they need to learn it and why it's so important.
Remove pads from package and apply to patient's bare chest.
Everyone gets involved in a Pochat training course. We're about teamwork, learning together, learning with experts. We make sure you understand. And when you understand, you remember.
The bit that stood out for me was the practical side of it all. I've done first aid in the past, but this was the most practical, hands-on training first aid that I've done.
I found it really valuable, the training today, because it gives you practical ideas in the workplace.
That's the secret of Pochat Training, where learning is fun and engaging.